Hey guys, welcome back for another quick, tasty and easy noodle recipe. Today we're going to be making these saucy, spicy garlic sesame noodles, and as the title suggests, can be prepared in just 5 minutes. So to get started, we're going to be mincing up 3 garlic cloves, and then we'll be peeling, cutting and preparing our cucumber to be shredded into thin strips. And onto the noodles. I'm using my favorite Taiwanese knife cut noodles here. I think these wide squiggly noodles are the perfect noodles to hold all that sauce, but feel free to use whatever wheat noodles that you have at home. Anything goes. So cook your noodles as per the packet instructions, and then we'll start assembling the sauce as well. So this will be the sesame paste that I'll be using today, and we'll be grabbing 1.5 tablespoons of the sesame paste. Following on from that, we're going to grab 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of your preferred chili oil, I'm using Lao Gan Ma, 2 tablespoons of black vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and that minced garlic that we prepared a little bit earlier. Now mix and make sure everything is combined well and into a smooth consistency. Amazing. So as your spicy sesame garlic sauce comes together, we're going to grab the noodles straight from the pot. We're doing this without draining it so that we are getting some of that excess noodle water that will help combine everything together and make it nice and smooth. So grab all your noodles, and then once that's done, we're going to give it a big old stir. To finish, we're going to be topping it with shredded cucumber and toasted sesame seeds. Let's eat. How great does this look? So I absolutely love the fragrance of the sesame trio that we've got going on here. You've got the sesame paste, the sesame oil, and the toasted sesame seeds itself. I just love how everything mingles together with the spiciness of the Lao Gan Ma, the raw garlic. The cucumber is a nice addition because green's right, and it gives it a nice crunch and cooling aspect to the dish as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave me a comment down below if you'd love to see more of these quick and tasty noodle recipes. Smash that like button and remember to subscribe. See you in the next one.